All right, today we're taking a look at my favorite car we've ever had, 1993 Acura NSX. This one's a one owner, only 11,000 miles on this. You got real MOMO racing rims on it. We do have the factory rims as well. This is as clean as they get. 1993, 11,000 miles. Bone stock other than the wheels. Let me get a close up of those mileage. 11,165 on her right now. This car is going live on our website today. Obviously, thank goodness she's a manual. The interior is absolutely perfect. These NSXs are a numbered car, I'm pretty sure. We just sold a 92 not long ago with 27,000 miles, but this one blows that car away. Local car to our area. This is literally as clean as they get. 11,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax. These cars have been jumping like crazy the past few years. They've all turned to investments. Go check it out on the website. It's live today at BRIANSAutocenter.com. Or you always give us a phone call, make it easy. This car won't last. It's going right into the showroom. I gotta check the market. I don't think there's even too many. This may be the lowest 93 out there available.